to the Jollibee family. Put your hands together for BD! Oh my gosh! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Nations Girl Group and the newest addition sa Jollibee family. Palakpakan po natin, BD!
2, 3! Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Bin...
Go ahead, sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Sheena! Hi guys, I'm Colette! Hi everyone, I'm Mika! Hi guys, I'm Gwen! Hi, I'm Jollibee Stacy! What's up, it's Joanna! Hi, I'm Choco Maloy Pan! And we are Beanie! Yes, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po for having us today. And alam niyo, super excited din si Ate Aya to be with you po, pero kailangan niya lang magpahinga ngayon po. Pero papasalubungan natin siya mamaya ng cheesy Yum Burger.
Oh, definitely. Yes. But hey, Beanie is right here with us! Oh my gosh. Alam niyo, may bago na naman tayong aaralin na sayaw, lalong-lalo na mga choreo. But I just have to say, as a proud kuya, I'm so proud of you guys. Being part of the Jollibee family is a big thing. And now, grabe talaga yung tuwa sa aking puso. But it's really nice to see almost all of the girls right here. But we're talking about the newest addition to the group and also the product that you endorse. How does it feel na maging parte ng Jollibee family and, of course, to really push that cheesy Yum Burger? Let's start with Colette. Oh, okay. We're just fixing the technicals ng ating girls. But don't you worry. Ang daming mangyayari dito. We're gonna be having games. We're gonna be having prizes. And lots of surprises coming from our beautiful ladies. Okay. But while waiting for the audio to be checked, also, can we ask for floor audio as well? Okay, maraming salamat. This happens, a live show, but we're just so happy andito ang ating mga biases, di ba? But, talking about sa kanina Jollibeanie, di ba? I love that hashtag. Don't you love Jollibeanie? Let's make that an official hashtag today. Jollibeanie. I love it. Okay, is the technical okay? Or technical's okay? All good?
Opo.
Again, ang daming mga blooms na nandito sa ating venue. It's so overwhelming, but going back to what I said, syempre, you guys are the new faces of Jollibee. Wow, talaga.
Grabe mo.
Oo, and you are endorsing that product, lalong-lalo na ang cheesy Yum Burger. How does it feel na kayo ang bagong addition to the family ng Jollibee? Let's start with you, Colette.
Sobrang grateful po talaga kami nung nalaman po namin na kami po yung new faces po ng Jollibee po. Sobrang grabe yung tili namin, sobrang saya namin.
Paano yung tili? Paano yun?
Hindi na, wala. Grabe mo. Si Sheena magsasample.
Well, I'm sure.
Sobrang saya po namin kasi normal na tao lang po kami dati nag-o-order po talaga kami ng Jollibee. So ngayon po, sobrang nakaka-proud po kasi si Jollibee po talaga parte na po ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino.
That's true.
Kaya to be part po of this family na naghahatid ng saya sa lahat po, sobrang ito po yung proud moment po talaga namin. Yes.
So-
Lalo
so
na po,
happy.
lalo pa at yung in-endorse pa namin yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy yum burger.
Wow! Ganda naman ang pagkakasabi.
Kuya
nun.
Robbie, grabe,
Yes.
dream come true po talaga po sa amin. Itong Jollibee sa aming Bini po kasi kahit saan sa rehearsals, training, pag nagugutom kami, guys, tara order tayo
Totoo.
Jollibee, order tayo ng Chicken Joy,
Yan.
kung ano man, Coke Float, lahat favorite po talaga na no joke. It's our favorite po
Comfort
talaga.
food.
Yes.
Actually, right before the program started, grabe yung ang daming super meals sa likod na naubos.
Yes.
That's how big of a fan Jollibee is. But I just want to say, kanina nakakatuwa na you girls are so humble, na normal na tao. But to everyone here, especially to the Blooms, you are our heroes. Hindi lang kayo normal na tao. Thank you for all of the songs. Pero iba talaga yung sarap ng cheesy yum burger. Ang daming, I'm sure ang daming take doon. Kakakagat nyo ng cheesiest, beefiest yum burger. Diba? Pero kamusta naman yung experience nyo? I wanna ask Gwen.
Yes,
Hi, Gwen.
sobrang saya po kasi sa bawat kagat lasang-lasa mo yung cheesiness and beefiness ng double cheesy yung burger.
Oh, yeah.
Nakakagutom naman yan. Pero what if yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy yung burger, what we already love, i-double pa natin. Para double the fun, double the yum. Am I right?
Yung masarap na cheesy yum burger, dodoblehin pa natin. Paano yung sinabi mo? Double the
Double
fun.
the fun, double the yum.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Pwede ba natin gawin yun? Meron na ba nun?
Meron na ngayon. Kasi dahil ngayon, Jollibee is proud to introduce its newest variant, the Double Cheesy Yum Burger!
Oh, wow! And I think we have it on the screen. It's right there. The Double Cheesy Yum Burger. Ayan, oh. Oh, yan. Si Stack. Nag-model na si Stack. Kasama si Maloy. Oy!
Ayan na naman kayo.
Ayan na naman. Oy! I think to all of our friends, please take a photo, use the hashtag JollyBeanie. Alright. Parang si Colin, ano na naman ginagawa nyo? Ito na naman kayo eh. But I think Gwen has to say something.
Yes, perfect na perfect po yan talaga. Mas ma-enjoy natin yung double na yung cheesiest cheese, tapos double pa yung beefiest patty. Di ba, Kuya
Oh,
Robbie?
sobrang sarap naman yan.
grabe.
Maloy!
Yes, ngayon pa lang, parang nalalasahan ko na mula sa soft buns hanggang sa nag-iisang Jollibee's special burger dressing na hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga yon. Tapos double pa yung cheesiest cheese slices with double beefiest patties. Grabe. I love it.
Ayan. Meron ba tayo? Parang nagugutom ulit ako.
Nagugutom ka na ulit?
Kakain mo lang.
Kasi tignan nyo naman, tignan nyo yung look at that double cheesy goodness. O, di ba? Yung cheese na wala. O, so yan, ayan.
Ito muna yung beefiest natin.
The beefiest, the
Beefiest patty.
Sino ba dito ang bibili after ng event na to?
Nakakagutom naman talaga. Oh.
Oh,
Ang daming balloons dito na siguradong dediretso dyan sa Jollibee.
Opo. Seryoso po, kasi if kami, ilang beses na kami nakatikim nito, yung mga shoots kasi namin, kahit ilang takes pa kami, nauubos po talaga. Lunok po talaga namin siya. Lunok talaga to the bone.
Joanna, dami na ubos.
Oh, teka lang. Si Joanna na, marami na ubos. Grabe naman.
Oh,
Mika.
sayang kasi tingin pa lang sa double cheesy yung burger, alam mo na agad na nag-uumapaw ang cheesiest at beefiest flavors.
I mean, look at that, di ba? Grabe
Yan,
pala. Isang
ayan,
tingin pa lang,
diba?
alam mo na masarap eh.
Tingin lang, bawal ba yung kagat? Kasi natatakam na ako eh.
Natatakam ka?
Patingin ng takam.
Paano?
Wait lang. Wait lang. Gusto na ba makita yung takam ni Gwen? In 3, 2, 1.
Ang ganda matakam.
Oh, panalo. Say less, Gwen. Oh, kasi, oh shucks, yun ang nararamdaman natin eh. Oh shucks, meron bang ganun ngayon? Very generous si Jollibee kasi they have prepared the new double cheesy yum burger for everyone to enjoy. Labas ang burger.
Nasaan?
Ayun na, oh. The double cheesy yum burger. Thank you so much.
Burger ko na to
Yes,
today.
pass the burger.
Pang ilan na po namin na today?
Pass the burger. Yes, pero syempre guys, hindi lang para sa amin ito dahil di naman pwedeng
kami lang ang nag-enjoy ng cheesy yum burger. Kaya naman, ayan na guys, distribute na. Please enjoy our newest double cheesy yum burger from Jollibee!
Ang sarap. May tanong ako kay Joanna. Joanna, may tanong ako para sa'yo.
Kalahati na yun sa kanya.
Ang laki ng kagat niya, Kuya Robby.
Masarap ba?
Wala ka Josie ka ba?
Grabe, no? Ibang klase. Saka, first time ko makarinig ng audience na pumapalakpak dahil kumakain ng yum burger sa stage. Ang galing. Bini lang talaga nakagawa nun. Pero winner na naman ng Jollibee. Iba talaga ang saya kasi sobrang sarap nito. Let's give Jollibee a big round of applause. Good job, Jollibee. At sobrang excited akong i-share itong balita to. And now that we have officially announced Beanie as the newest members of the Jollibee family, if you can look at that board sa likod, sa Cheesy Yum Burger Best Fest, we have Beanie-fied all of our areas right here. Tingnan nyo, sa likod. Ayan o, ang ganda. Ang daming mga standees. So please, don't miss the chance to take your photos right here with the Beanie standees. But, paalala lang po, bawal pong iuwi yung mga standees.
Walang mag-uwi ng standees.
Walang mag-uwi
Kilala
ng
namin
standees.
kayo.
Okay, that's a
Wait,
rule.
May lost and found pa kasi po na standing.
Okay, everyone's enjoying the cheesiest, the beefiest double cheesy yum burger. Ramdam na ramdam, oh. Tingnan natin kung sino yung pinakamalakas sa... oh my gosh, Gwen, kalahati na.
Sorry, Kuya Robby. Kanina ko pa to inaano eh. Tinitingnan ko eh.
Ah, ganon. Naghahanda ka na for the Beanie
Yes.
Run, ha? Okay. Okay lang yan. Okay, but while the girls are here enjoying their burgers, is it okay if I go around, ask some of you guys kung kamusta yung experience sa double cheesy yum burger? I wanna ask itong kasama ko dito na pareho kami ng damit eh. Okay. Hello? What is your name? Sienna. Sienna, I have to say, I love your outfit. I mean, this is the official outfit for the event right now. Okay, you haven't opened your burger yet, but sa looks pa lang, ano ang masasabi mo? Feeling talaga, no? Ibang klase talaga ang ating double cheesy yum burger. Oh, kamusta yung girls natin? Enjoy?
Busog.
Busog ka. Joanna, parang hindi ka ba tapos na? Kalahati na. May nangyayaring challenge dito. Okay. Okay, let's go to our Jollibee fam and ask one of our members of the family. What is your name? Krish. I'm sure you've heard about the double cheesy yum burger. Ano man sabi mo?
Sobrang sarap. Di ba
Spoken like a true endorser. Maraming salamat, Beanie Krish. You're part of the family. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back on stage with our girls. Si Gwen, parang ubos na talaga yung burger niya, oh. Hello. Gwen, kumusta?
Ay nako, Kuya Robby, kayang-kayang ubusin yan sa isang upuan. Pero pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko kasi gusto ko mas manamnam ko siya mamaya after natin dito.
Magbabaon ka ba?
Oo, mamaya.
Magbabaon ka
Oo, babalikan ko yun.
Ikaw, excited ka bang ubusin lahat ng mga cheesy yum burger sa likod?
Uy, oo, game ako. Kayo, game kayo?
Ay, sige. Mukbang tayo, mukbang.
May
Pili ko
mukbang
padamihan
na.
kayo ni Joanna. Padamihan
Magandang
kayo ni
contest yan, ha? Speaking of contest, alam ko kung gaano katindi yung mga members ng Beanie when it comes to games, and later on, we're gonna be having that. Pero ako, mag-uwi din ako kasi alam ko yung misis ko nandyan eh.
Ay!
Si Beanie Mikey eh. Beanie Mikey is here. I will bring a lot kasi grabe yung sarap ng double cheesy yum burger. Agree, guys?
Yeah!
Yes! Thank you. Okay.
Kuya Robby, sample po
Sample
ng
naman,
kagat.
Kuya
Oo naman, Kuya Robby.
Paano yung langhap sarap?
Sampo.
Huwag naman sa amin.
Wow. Sinama niya na pati.
Paano tuloy ako magsasalita nito? Tsaka, si ate kanina, Sir, akin na po. Kunin ko na po. Oh.
Tubig,
Maraming salamat.
Kuya Robby.
Tubig.
Baka
Kuya
mapalitan
Robby.
kami ni Kuya Robby niya.
Maraming salamat, mga anak. But, we have a consensus. Everyone loves the new Jollibee Double Cheesy Yum Burger, and it's all because of Jollibee. Let's give Jollibee a big round of applause. Maraming salamat. And also, for...
Nunukin mo.
Naiiyak kasi ako eh. Naiiyak kasi ako kasi grabe yung collaboration na to between Jollibee and Beanie. For Jollibee, thank you so much for making our girls the newest addition to the family. Let's give Jollibee and Beanie a big round of applause. Okay, lasang-lasa talaga yung double cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting goodness. A new product variant and the newest endorser for this, grabe, Jollibee never fails to bring us joy talaga. And I also enjoyed the newest product dito. At mukhang ito na ang magiging staple order ng lahat dito. As in, tulad ng sinabi ng girls kanina, hindi kang bibitin sa sobrang sarap, sa sobrang dami. And di ba? Tama ba, girls?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I think Mika would love to say something.
I would like to say that this is the moment that I've been waiting for, and this is the moment that we've been wanting to share this.
No, maraming salamat, candidate number 1. Thank you for saying that. But I think it's high time for me to ask our girls, kasi getting this, I don't want to say ambassadorship or endorsement, getting this privilege to be part of the Jollibee family is a big thing. How does it feel to be part of this gargantuan family and endorse such an iconic brand?
Yeah, super grateful po kami na maging part ng Jollibee family. Pero kasi, di ba, parang buong buhay natin, naging part na talaga ng buhay natin yung Jollibee. Parang pagkabata natin, doon ka nga di ba?
Doon ako nag-first birthday, mamaya ipapost ko.
Oh, diba?
Antayin nyo. Doon ako nag-first birthday.
Up until now, alam niyo, may isi-share lang ako po. Pag halimbawa, lumalabas kami ng ibang bansa, tapos nasa airport pa lang po kami, pauwi pa lang po kami, hindi kami nag-uusap. Alam niyo po kung ano ginagawa namin?
Ano?
Sari-sariling order po kami ng Jollibee. Para po, pagdating namin sa bahay po, nandun na, diretso kain na po kami. Ganun po lagi routine namin. Kasi namimiss namin yung lasa ng Jollibee kung paglalabas kami ng ibang
Lalo
bansa.
for Pinoys, di ba? For Filipinos like us, pag sinabi mong Pinoy, automatic Jollibee nandyan.
Yes.
Diba?
Sobrang saya sa puso na maging part po ng brand na to. Kasi Jollibee is not only a meal. Parang kasama mo siya sa memories mo. Kasama mo siya kasama ng family mo. So being able to be part of Jollibee family, it's so surreal. Hindi kami makapaniwala. Panaginip ba to? Pakigising ako, please.
And Jollibee shares our value po of bringing joy to everyone. Lalo na we love spending our rest days po with our families po. And we all know that Jollibee is known po for its welcoming and family-oriented atmosphere. Yes. Every birthday natin, gusto natin, saan kayo mag-celebrate ng birthday mo? Jollibee!
Mama, sasabi mo naman, ready na ba kayo makita?
Ready na ba kayo?
Ayan, lagi sabi ni Joanna itong iconic line na to. Go, Jo!
Kasi lagi namin tong joke lang po namin to before. Okay, game.
Okay.
Ready na ba kayong makita si Jollibee?
Mga party, oo nga, no?
Tapos ngayon pwede na namin sabihin.
Pwede na. I think may bagong plano ang marketing team. Si Miss Dora is like, pwede pala. Kunin na natin ang Beanie.
Pwede po ako. Sige po.
Oh, wow. At saka, ang Jollibee, nandito lang. Got you. Okay, as the newest faces of Jollibee's cheesiest, beefiest, best-tasting cheesy yum burger, ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng i-look forward ng mga, kita nyo to, mga fans na kasama natin, mga friends and family na kasama natin dito in the future? Especially our Blooms. Taas kamay, mga Blooms! Everyone is.
Of
Step.
course, syempre hindi lang po yung cheesy yum burger yung dapat abangan. Magkakaroon din po kami ng commercial sa Jollibee! Yay! Lalabas po ito sa June 18, 2024.
Sana.
2024 ngayon.
Sana. Sana this year.
Next year pa pala.
Pero maghihintay pa rin kami.
Yes. Thank you so much po. And syempre yung quality din. Syempre nandiyan lahat ng katuwa ng mga bata, mga teenager, mga lolo, lola, tito, tita, ate, kuya,
saya, nandyan lahat. Enjoy, happiness, good vibes po tayo lahat with Jollibee.
Definitely.
Yes, also mga kasama din namin ng Jollibee sa Beanieverse concert which is this June 28 to 30. So abangan niyo po yan. Sino manonood?
Yung mga masaswerteng may tickets, taas kamay.
Sino mga nakasecure ng tickets? Don't worry, madami pang next time.
Kasama ka rin ba sa Beanie Run?
Ay, kasama
Okay.
niyo sa video.
Maraming tatakbo dito. Well, yung commercial na sinasabi ni Stack, I think we have a snippet of that one a while ago, pinalabas.
Hindi pa po namin napapanood.
Hindi pa namin napapanood.
Can we change it up? Is it okay to watch the commercial right now with the girls? Para
Yes.
maramdaman natin yung feeling. Okay lang ba? You want that to
Video.
happen? Is that okay? Okay.
Reaction video.
All good with our director? Okay.
Live.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be watching the newest TVC of Beanie and Jollibee together with the nation's girl group. Lights. Video. All right.
Mic drop.
Oh! Oh!
Nakaiyak.
Diba? Sobrang happy ang lahat. The marketing team is so happy. Jollibee is so happy. Stacy, are you crying?
Natawa po siya sa pagkagat ng burger.
Ang laki kasi ng po. Kasi nakailang take po ako talaga sa part na yon. Kasi
Oh.
natatawa po talaga ako.
Saka yung last part na may ganun. Diba, kuhang-kuha talaga ng yung best fest natin ngayon. I want to ask, after watching the video, that not just the video, your commercial for Jollibee, your TVC, anong nararamdaman nyo?
Kilabot po.
Kilig.
Kilig. Kasi nung nag-shoot po kasi kami, parang hindi namin naramdaman yung whole day na shoot. Sobrang bilis po nilang gumalaw. And even yung Jollibee family namin, talagang binusog po kami the whole day. Sobrang salamat po. Salamat po.
to all the production.
I think si Sheena may gustong sabihin kanina.
Ay, wala po.
Ah, wala? kasi kumausap gumanon ka eh. Akala ko lang may props. Speechless.
Ganda.
Speechless. But, you guys from Jollibee to, of course, dominating not just the Philippines, but the whole world. How does it feel to be part of the ever-evolving OPM scene? Especially, number 1 na kayo sa Pilipinas.
Oh my God.
Uy! Number 1 ang Beanie sa Pilipinas. And you girls, just not dish out beautiful music, but you represent Filipinos. Anong pakiramdam na kayo ang nagdadala ng bandera ng OPM?
Well, to be honest, we're still, we make sure that the pressure doesn't get to us. But if it does, we use it in a way and where we are able to improve and, of course, still take constructive criticism. Yeah, and we just want to say thank you so much to our Blooms and to everyone who listened to our songs. We couldn't have gotten here if it weren't for you guys. And to be representing OPM, it is such an honor. And for sure, we promise we will not disappoint and we will continue to take OPM into the international scene.
Yes, and thankful po kami kasi from the very start, we always try to incorporate Filipino culture through our songs, performances, yung styling po namin. Kaya we're very happy na ngayon nare-recognize na siya. And if nakapag-contribute man po kami doon, we're thankful kasi mas lumalawak na po yung naaabot ng Filipino talent.
Galing ng girls
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Yeah.
We're really grateful po talaga sa mga tao na nakapalibot sa amin. Kasi hindi kami yung Beanie ngayon kung hindi rin dahil sa tulong nilang lahat. Especially to our Blooms, to our management, to God, to our family. And now with Jollibee.
Yeah! Beautiful message. Okay, he got lots of fans, lots of blooms listening to us right now, and I think we're being maraming salamat. We really appreciate you. Palakpakan po natin our beautiful ladies, Beanie. Thank you so much for answering all of our questions. But let me ask everyone, is everyone having a jolly-tastic time with Beanie? Yes? Okay, we have been having this big event right now, blast with our girls, but we are just getting started kasi ngayon, kayo naman ang magpapakitang gilas kasama ang mga biases natin on stage. Kanina, Beanie danced to our new cheesy Yum Burger jingle. And now, it is your time to shine. So, here is what's gonna happen, okay? We'll be inviting 7 people na kasama namin dito sa entablado. And these lucky participants will get to learn the jingle's choreography directly from our queens. Sinong gustong maging parte nun? Okay. Our management, our production will be going around asking people kung sino gustong pumunta din sa entablado. And later on, mamimili tayo ng ating audience ng best performers na makakuha ng special prizes coming from Jollibee. Now, if you want to be part of this exciting game, you better get ready to impress. And once chosen, they'll be teaching you the moves right here on the stage from Beanie themselves. And then, we'll be dancing that catchiest new jingle, one by one, okay? Dapat mangyari yun. Girls, handa na ba kayo doon?
Yes.
Oh, handang-handa na. So, pipili tayo ng maraming, ng 7 participants na pupunta rito. I guess we have some of them. And then, magkakaroon ng dance-off.
Yes, ang exciting naman yun, Kuya Robby. Pero, alam mo yun, para mas ma-inspire sila, feeling ko kailangan mong bigay ng sample. Kasi,
Ako?
You're the dance king of the Philippines.
Ako? Are you
Diba?
sure?
Gusto niyo ba makita si Kuya Robby sumayaw? Magbigay ng sample.
Ay, kami gustong-gusto po namin yun.
Parang yung mga tito lang nagsabi ng yes. Yung mga tito lang dito.
Let's go, Kuya Robby.
Ako. Sabi, Nations, Beanie Robby ako ngayon. Ay, nako.
Let's go.
If everyone's ready, is it okay if you dance with me?
Yes,
Beanie?
yes.
Okay, sige. Direct, I think everyone's all set. Coach Mickey is in the booth. Oh, wow. Coach Mickey. Okay, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Paano ba yan? Oh my gosh.
Fast
Okay.
learner ka pala, Kuya Robby.
Nag-practice
Ano, no?
yan.
Fast learner ka.
Sobra. Kasi kung hindi ko makuha ngayon to, baka si Derek Loren, hindi na ako papasukin. Okay, ganun na ganun talaga. We got the best performers right here. Patigin pa lang yung ginawa namin, ha? But this time, you will be with Beanie. Alright? Okay, just quickly, can I get your names? Oni. Joshua. Joshua, what's up, brother? Okay. Hi, baby girl. What's your name? Lala? Nala. Nala. Wow, you got Nala. I think she is the youngest bloom in the area, okay? And then?
Franz po.
France. Kitty? Are you twins? Okay, okay. Parang ayaw nyo. But you're siblings? You're twins! Grabe naman. Okay, hindi halata ah. And then?
Beanie Charut po.
Beanie Charut. Okay, alright. Well, we've got our ladies here waiting to teach the dance para sa ating mga members. So go ahead. You can approach our ladies. Go ahead. Okay, first dibs. Oh! Nala naman, di halata kung sino bias mo. Grabe naman tong Nala na to. Okay, go ahead guys. You can approach our ladies who will be teaching you the dance later on. Tandaan nyo ha, ladies, I know, very competitive kayo. Nakita namin yan sa mga iba't ibang mga vlogs, iba't ibang mga games. Alam namin kung gaano ka-competitive ang Beanie. So, let me just remind our ladies. Okay, magiging coach kayo ngayon. Best performer gets to win the prize. Isa lang mananalo dito, ha? Let me tell you again, this is a game.
Okay po.
Okay, competitive mode on ang Beanie natin. And we're gonna be spreading joy and showing off their best and most energetic dance moves. So, please don't be shy. You can tell them about the choreography right now. We're gonna give you siguro some few minutes. Okay, so ayan na, nauna na. Alam na natin kung sino pinaka-competitive. Si Joanna. Okay. You can teach the move right now.
Okay.
And then the music is gonna be like this. Play natin. Alright. Such a quick choreography. Pero kailangan pinakamagaling dito, ha? And I will be needing your help. Alright? To determine kung sino ang mananalo sa ating quick and short game. And ito, first time na gagawin natin itong method na to. Have you heard of the palakpakan system? First time natin gagawin to, guys, ha? Yung pinakamalakas sa palakpak at hiyawan, siya ang mananalo. To our participants, dapat ready yung best jolly moves ninyo. Okay? Is everyone ready?
Yes po.
All good?
We're ready.
Everyone's all set, no? Let me go over there and let's start with Ate Jo. Okay. Jo, are you ready?
Ay, kami po una?
Oo
Okay po.
naman. Handa na ba?
Okay po, ready.
Babatang, okay. Music. In 3, 2, 1, go. Binali yung choreography. Gustong manalo.
Gusto ko manalo. Never pa ako nananalo sa Beanie Game.
Okay lang, nanalo ka naman sa life eh.
Wow!
Alright. Maraming salamat. Stack, are you ready? Okay.
I am born ready.
Oh, born ready. Wow.
Hindi ko na kapatalo sa inyo.
Okay. Music in 3, 2, 1. May posing sa dulo. Okay.
Thank you!
Victoria, maraming salamat, Stacy. Okay, Maloy with Beanie Charot.
Yes, I
Charut.
need Charut.
Okay.
Is it Charut?
Charot pala.
Charut.
Charot, not Charot. Sorry. Mali pagkakarinig ko. Okay, excuse lang daw. Charot.
Wait lang. Kailangan for your safety.
Ay! Wow!
For your safety. Back lang konti.
Okay. Maloy and Charot, are you ready?
Dito ka.
In
Dito
3,
ka, Charut.
board ready, 3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you so much.
Makakaubos na ng double cheesy hamburger mamaya.
That's
Maraming
sweet,
salamat. Thank you. Okay, Colette.
Sweet girl lang kami.
Oh, sweet girl lang.
Sweet kasi
Sweet
yung
girl lang
kasama.
kayo. Okay, Naka-heels
ganda.
pa, ha?
Ang gaganda.
Naka-heels. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! So nice. That's a sweet girl. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Okay, from one twin to another, let's go with Coach Sheena. Okay. Ready? Wow! Blocking!
Blockings!
Blockings!
Kami din naman.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
namin.
Ano daw?
May umaalma. May umaalma dito.
Hala,
Okay.
Kuya Robby, same sila ng partner. Ay,
Ma-
twins pala.
Ma-
Nag-ulit.
Ulit.
Teka lang. Teka lang.
Lugi.
Teka lang. Yung mga claims na yan, mamaya natin re-resolve, ha? Kasi I think ready na si Nala, oh.
Winner na. Winner. Manalo na. Manalo na.
And our winner for today ay...
Si Lala.
Hindi pa nakakasaya si Kuya yun.
Bebe pa. Hindi pa nakasayaw.
Paano ba yan, pare? Nag-decide na yung Bini. May panalo na. Hindi, pero syempre, I think Gwen is ready with a performance. Good job, Nala. Okay. Music in 3,
Go on.
2, 1, go!
Cute.
Grabe. Iba yung ngiti mo, Brad, ha? Maraming salamat. All right, let's give our girls a big round of applause. Thank you so much for being game. But just like what we said, this is a game, no? This is a game. Tignan natin kung sino. Tapos na kanina.
Kuya Robby.
Solo!
It's now or never.
Grabe naman to. Wala nang music, eh.
One week niya po yung
Ang
pinaghandaan.
sakit ng likod ko. Kailangan ko ng double cheese yung burger mamaya. Sumakit, no? Pero okay. Happy? Babalikan ko kay mamaya. Okay. Let's start first. Palakpakan method. I will be needing your help, guys, ha? Let's start with Bini Joanna.
More!
Okay.
Sige na, more!
Okay. Meron. We got Stacy.
Pag hindi kayo mag-cheer, walang libreng cheesy yung burger! Mga nasa taas, cheer!
Blackmail yun ah.
Thank you. Kalmahan. Galit ata siya.
Bini Stacy, thank you. Bini Maloy.
Pag di kayo nag-cheer.
Okay, Bini Maloy.
May spill muna siya, may spill.
Okay, may speed wala.
Kapatid ko po yung bata!
Grabe naman kayo.
Huy,
Okay.
hindi mo
Di
kapatid
magkamukha.
Wait. Kapatid mo ba talaga? Gagamitin lahat para lang manalo, no? Okay. Okay. Bini Colette. Oh, meron. Bini Sheena.
Ang lakas! Ang lakas! I-add niyo po yun, Kuya.
Kasama.
Dapat naka-add.
Mag-a-add pala.
I-add
Oo.
ko, i-add.
Twins additional. Oh, combined yun sa inyo, ha? Eh, tingnan natin kung matatapatan nyo. Bini Mika.
Bata. Hindi, isa pa.
Uy, naging bata din siya noon. Grabe naman.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. Let's go with Bini Gwen.
Uy, sige na. Grabe naman kayo sa amin.
Medyo pantay halos, ha? Pantay. Bini Gwen. Bini Mika. I think we have a clear winner. I'm looking at our boss. I think for this
Napaniginipan ko
match,
to.
Nala wins. Nala, can you step forward?
Unexpected. Gusto din po namin
Gusto
ito.
ko din po.
Be, patingin dito, Be. Patingin.
Hoy, huwag niya naman nagawin.
Joke lang. Inagawan yung bata.
Gusto ko din
Ah.
eh.
Maloy, ang tanong daw ng Jollibee, gusto mo ng Jollibee Funko Pop or endorsement?
Ha?
Endorsement o Funko Pop?
Ha, ano yan? Di ko nga alam yan eh. Ano ba yan?
Oh,
Thank you.
oh, may isa pang winner.
Ay,
May isa pang winner daw. Okay, so how do we determine this palakpakan method ulit? So, dalawa ang mananalo ng Funko Pop. Maliban kay Nala. Okay, Nala,
Thank you
congratulations.
po. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Alright.
Salamat.
Again, last palakpakan method. Let's go with Beanie Joanna. Meron. Beanie Stacy.
Guys, please na. Lilibre ko kayo. Jollibee, nandyan lang yung katapat to. 1, 2, 3, shout for me! Thank you so much.
Ang tindi mo, stuck ha? Beanie Maloy!
Try no mo mag-ingay! Yung mga nasa taas dyan, mag-ingay kayo. Hindi ko kayo naririnig.
Ay, nako.
Be, tama na.
Muna sa kapatid.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
How about you, Beanie Colette? Iko-combine natin to, ha? Tingnan natin, ha? Okay, 1/2 pa lang yun. How about Beanie Sheena?
Ang lakas.
Okay, and Beanie Gwen. Okay, now, medyo torn tayo. We have to ask our director, sino ba ang nanalo? Okay.
Direk, parang kapitbahay namin kayo.
Ang dagayan.
Hoy!
Nangampanya. Okay, we're just waiting for the
Ginagawa ko para
final.
sa'yo. Ano ba itong ginagawa? Cheesy, yes,
Okay.
Kobe face.
Okay, I wanted to come from the director. Ang nanalo ay si Beanie.
Cheesy.
Beanie Maloy!
Walang masaya para sa akin. Congrats!
Congratulations.
Kunin mo na. Congrats! Oh, charot sa yung box. Akin yung na ano ah.
But hey, give it up for our contestants. Maraming salamat, Blues, for being so game. And also, our ladies, deserve nyo talaga ang moment na to with Beanie. Is it okay if we have a big photo together with all of our ladies and our players right here? Okay. Ayan na. On 3, why don't you say Jolly Beanie? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Jolly Beanie! Alright. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Can we ask our contestants? Oh, one more. Alright. Let's look at the camera and compress a bit. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasama po natin dito. Later on, bubuksan po namin yung area so you can take a photo with our ladies right there, especially their standees, and go around and taste the cheesiest, the beefiest Yum Burger. Alright, maraming salamat sa ating participants. We really enjoyed with everyone here. And of course, Beanie. Grabe sila ka-competitive. Ganyan talaga ang ating Beanie. But we are not yet done. Actually, we are not yet done. Our Beanie, our ladies are just preparing themselves. Kasi gusto ko lang tanongin, ladies, after that game, after that performance kanina, may energy pa ba kayo for another performance?
Yes.
Yeah!
Do you want Beanie to perform on this stage? Oh my God. You guys are in for a treat. Siyempre, always ready to respond and always ready to spread joy ang Beanie with Jollibee. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna be asking our ladies, are you okay?
Yes.
Everyone is all set. Ladies and gentlemen, Blooms, to perform some of their hit songs, please give it up for the newest addition to the Jollibee family and the nation's girl group, Beanie!